Now the topic before us is the rise and fall of currencies, understanding currency appreciation and depreciation. Now we will understand the differences between currency appreciation and currency depreciation on various points. First is definition. What is the meaning of currency appreciation? Currency appreciation means increase in the value of domestic currency in relation to other currencies. Suppose we are living in India. Our Indian currency or Indian domestic currency is INR. All the other currencies except Indian rupee, foreign Indian citizen are foreign currencies. Suppose for some time I shift to USA, then my domestic currency will become US dollar. So now at present I am living in India and my domestic currency is Indian rupee and other currency say is US dollar. At present, if I want to purchase one US dollar, I will have to pay approximately 83 Indian rupee to get one US dollar. If there is currency appreciation, what it means? It means that I will have to pay less to get the same amount of other currency. Suppose if I have to pay 80 rupee to get one US dollar, it means that the value of Indian currency or the value of domestic currency has increased or the Indian currency has appreciated. On the other hand, currency depreciation means depreciation in the value of domestic currency relative to other currencies in the foreign exchange market. At present, we have to pay approximately 62 Indian rupee to get one Canadian dollar. We have to pay 62. Suppose if there is currency depreciation, that is the value of our Indian rupee depreciates, then we are taking simply example. We will have to pay more to get the same unit of Canadian dollar. Suppose we have to pay 65 rupee Indian rupee to get the same amount of other currency. If there is currency depreciation, suppose in this example we have assumed that the value of Indian currency has depreciated, that is we will have to pay the more currency in domestic currency to get the same amount of other currency. Now the third point is impact on exports. Firstly, we will understand the impact on exports by currency appreciation. What is the impact of currency appreciation on exports? Due to currency appreciation, exports become expensive for foreign buyers. What it means? Swiss franc appreciation is the well-known example of how currency appreciation impacts exports. Swiss franc is the official currency of Switzerland and one small country, Liechtenstein, which is a border state between Switzerland and Austria. Prior to 2015, Swiss National Bank used to adopt a fixed exchange rate between Swiss franc and euro, and approximately the value of 1.2 Swiss franc were equal to 1 euro. This is only approximate figures. Prior to 2015, Swiss National Bank adopted the fixed exchange rate between Swiss franc and euro. In 2015, the Swiss National Bank abandoned the policy of fixed exchange rate of Swiss franc with euro. So due to this amending of the fixed exchange rate which it was following, the value of Swiss franc appreciated by about 20%. that is the value of Swiss franc appreciated vis-a-vis the value of euro. So due to this appreciation of the currency of Switzerland, that is the Swiss franc, the exports from Switzerland became expensive. Switzerland watches, pharmaceuticals, and other products which were exported from Switzerland to other European countries became expensive. So it adversely affected the export oriented units of Switzerland, and especially those industries which were heavily dependent on the European customers. Now we will come to the impact on exports. What is the impact of currency depreciation on exports? Due to currency depreciation, exports become cheaper for foreign buyers. We take the example. In the late 1990s and early 2000s, Japanese yen depreciated in value vis-a-vis the US dollar and other currencies. That is, the value of Japanese yen has depreciated during this period. Due to this depreciation, the Japanese goods became cheaper for the foreign buyers. As a result of this depreciation of Japanese yen, Japanese companies such as automotive companies such as Honda, Nissan, and electronic companies like Panasonic, Sony were able to sell their products in the international market at cheaper price, and they gained a lot. So the depreciation in the value of domestic currency of Japan helped in increasing the exports. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.